All right, how to install a garbage disposal.
How about that?
Tools needed. A garbage disposal, of course. You're gonna need some PVC piping. You're gonna need gloves so you don't get your hands dirty, of course. Wrench or pliers, depending on what you got. Plumber's glue, or it's also called the PVC cement. Some additional rags, to clean up, and a saw, and a pencil or a marker if you don't get the pencil, or a screwdriver, and this. Okay, then you're gonna, before you do all that, first you're gonna want to put the stuff on the top of the sink so that it's glued down. Check out YouTube for that stuff. And then you're gonna want to screw the garbage disposal on the bottom. And if your PVC piping is in there, not cool over it, you're gonna have to cut that shit off.
Oh my god, it doesn't fit. Has to be lower.
Okay. So, this is me fixing my problem, which is why you need to measure yourself. This is installing the newer system that I made, and here you can see how to glue it, how to put that piece together and attach it to the garbage disposal. There you go. I'm measuring and marking it so I know where to cut. Make sure you measure, like once or twice, and then just cut it. And then here I'm putting it together to make sure it's all going to fit just the right way, and securing it with the supplied hardware, and putting it all together. And here where I use a mask and a towel, smart to avoid more dirt when you're cleaning it up. And then I'm gluing it together, and then you screw the final piece back on. Make sure there's leakage, and test it. You might need some more adjustments. That's it. All right, well, thanks for watching this video. I hope it helps you if you're trying to install your own garbage disposal. This was not an easy feat. By watching other videos, I was able to finish the job, and I hope my video adds some more guidance if you're having trouble as well. And not too bad of a job if I don't say so myself. Again, thanks for coming by and watching the video. And like always, like, subscribe, and hit those boopity boop buttons. See you next time.